Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
All right, sir. Alhamdulillah. And what's your name, sir?
Azam.
Azim. What's the meaning of Azim?
Big.
Big. Okay. So, Mr. Azim, what's about today your mock test like?
It was a good experience, a good initiative by NICON Group of Colleges. I've had my IELTS exam done before without any training. Didn't get me a good score, so I opted for NICON. So it was a good experience. People should opt for this before taking the real IELTS exam.
Okay. So, in which module do you feel difficult like?
My weak point was in reading and writing, but this time I opted for reading thing. So let's see.
So, what's the reason behind it? Like you feel difficult?
I was lacking some points that I wasn't aware of. There are some tricks and trades of this test that you're not aware of. If you don't take any course, let's say like from Nikon, so you won't know the tips and tricks of this IELTS exam. So when I gave my IELTS exam, so there were some points that I didn't know of. When giving the exam, I didn't score that much.
Okay. So, do you have any message to dedicate for the IELTS students as well as Nikon students?
My advice would be to opt for this exam that Nikon is attending over here in Islamabad Club. Most of my colleagues also didn't opt for this exam, but this was a good experience to go for the live IELTS exam.
Okay. Thank you so much.